Here's more advice from Rick and Marcus, your garage door professors. Proper lubrication of your garage door components is essential for maintaining smooth and quiet operation and to prolong lifespan. Here's what you need to know. The main components requiring lubrication include the rollers, hinges, tracks, springs, and bearings. These can become dry and start to squeak or stick. Use a silicone-based lubricant or a specific lubricant recommended by the manufacturer. Avoid using WD-40 or similar products. They can attract dirt and debris. Lubricate garage door components at least once or twice a year, depending on usage and climate. Also, lubricate after any maintenance or repairs on the door. Apply lubricant to the rollers where they meet the shaft and avoid excessive buildup. Apply lubricant to the pivot points of each hinge to ensure smooth movement. Apply lubricant to the inside of the track where the rollers glide along. Wipe off any excess to prevent buildup. Lightly spray lubricant on the springs, avoiding excessive application since it can attract dirt. If your garage door has bearings, apply lubricant to the bearings to ensure smooth rotation. Before lubricating, ensure the power to the opener is turned off. Use safety gear such as gloves and safety glasses. While lubricating, take the opportunity to inspect signs of wear or damage and replace any worn or damaged parts as needed. If you're unsure about how to properly lubricate your garage door or experience any significant issues, call us. We'll do a thorough inspection and maintenance service to ensure your door operates smoothly and safely for years to come.
The Garage Door Professors at Affordable Garage Door Repair and Replacement are here to answer your questions and to offer you options to meet your needs and desires. We're always here for you. Just call us. There is no cost or obligation. Call us today.